Here's where we're staying for the night. This place is called Mountain Resthouse. It's 500 meters away from the park registration tomorrow. I'm gonna show you my room. Halo, selamat petang. Ya, baru sampai.
Iya kah?
Baru sampai dari Keke.
Oh.
Ya.
Ada tempat lagi Pak kan?
Ada. Sudah booking.
Sini sudah lah kan.
Sini sudah.
Cari lama.
Oh. Nasi baik ada. Oh. It's a beautiful village houses. Shoes off before the stairs. Remember. The other guests, maybe climbers too. Halo, kita orang simpan barang dulu ya. Halo uncle.
Oke.
Kita simpan barang dulu. Oh, nice, clean and tidy. Itu bilik taruh dua. Oke. Aku belakang. Ya, bilik taruh dua. Aku belakang. 100 for one room, plus another 100 for another one room, single, and one is couple. One room is couple. That's my bed. You got water heater here. That's the switch for water heater. Bathroom. That's the. We are right in the middle of the forest, tropical forest. Biliko. Go back to the nature. So we gotta take a look around. This might be the living home for the guest here, living here. There's some rooms. We are quite lucky to get rooms because it's a big holiday, so everyone must be spending their times here. Get away, perhaps, and chill out here. You don't need any air conditioner or fan. Rule number 1, do not forget to check in, which is why I really need my phone so badly. There you are. Got it. Settling in. Gotta check my stuff again. Pack something else like snacks in my backpack. I've settled in, and before bed, just to check the gears again for the climb tomorrow. So we got here 2 pairs of pants, one after the best game the next day, pocket knife there, gloves, 2 pairs of socks, and the page just in case you got wet, ponchos aka raincoat, 2 pairs, 1 beanie, dry fit t-shirt for the inside, whistle, check, don't want to be too noisy in here, windbreaker, and some snack for the energy drinks, isotonics, hair dryer just in case the shoes got wet after the rainy weather, headlight check, And this is for the dirty clothes to isolate. Put them in one bag, one cylinder bag, all packed in together, 20 liter. And this is the first aid kit, the mild plaster, repellent, icy spray, this is some kind of the splint, bandage, heat wrap, alcohol, plasters, antiseptic lotion for the bandage wrap, eye moisturizer, and Panadol just in case. Altitude sickness and soluble, because someone gets flu in the middle of the cold here, and charcoal pills, someone have tummy issues. All right, and this is the windbreaker, as I told you. Yeah, another one is the pair of shoes. It's here, check. And I have the suitable type for the hiking activities. Make sure it got some kind of spike like this on the thread like this. Okay, good night folks, it's all ready. I'm just gonna pack it in one cylinder bag. I'm gonna carry it tomorrow on my back.